What if a rogue planet hit Earth? Imagine looking up at the night sky and discovering that a giant planet is heading directly toward Earth. Not an asteroid. Not a comet. An entire planet. This is the terrifying scenario of a rogue planet collision. But what exactly is a rogue planet? A rogue planet is a world that doesn't orbit a star. Instead, it drifts alone through the darkness of space. Scientists believe there could be billions of these wandering planets moving silently through our galaxy. Most are harmless because space is unimaginably vast. But what if one was heading toward Earth? At first, astronomers would detect strange changes in the motions of planets and asteroids throughout the solar system. The rogue planet's immense gravity would begin disturbing everything around it. Comets could be thrown toward the inner solar system. Asteroids might be knocked out of their normal orbits. The night sky would slowly change as the mysterious world grew brighter with each passing year. As the rogue planet approached, its gravity would begin affecting Earth itself. Massive tides would rise across the oceans. Earthquakes and volcanic eruptions would become more frequent. The moon's orbit could become unstable. Even before the collision, civilization would face a global crisis. Governments would desperately search for ways to survive. But there would be one huge problem. A planet is simply too massive to stop. Unlike an asteroid, there is no technology capable of changing the course of an entire world. As the rogue planet moved closer, it would dominate the sky. It could appear larger than the moon, becoming an ever-present reminder of humanity's fate. Then comes the final moment. The collision. The energy released would be beyond anything humans have ever witnessed. The impact would vaporize continents instantly. Oceans would turn into superheated steam. Shockwaves would travel around the globe at incredible speeds. The atmosphere would ignite with extreme heat. Mountains would crumble. Cities would vanish in seconds. The Earth would no longer be the planet we know. If the rogue planet were large enough, the collision could completely destroy Earth, blasting enormous amounts of debris into space. Some fragments might eventually form a new planet. Others would become a ring of shattered rock orbiting the sun. But what if the rogue planet didn't collide directly? Even a close encounter could be catastrophic. Its gravity might pull Earth out of its orbit around the sun. Our planet could be thrown into deep space, becoming a frozen rogue world itself. Without sunlight, temperatures would plunge below -100 degrees Celsius. Plants would die. Food chains would collapse. Most life on Earth would disappear. Fortunately, the chances of a rogue planet striking Earth are extremely small. The distances between stars are so enormous that direct planetary collisions are incredibly rare. However, rogue planets are real. Astronomers continue discovering evidence that countless wandering worlds exist throughout the Milky Way. Some may be larger than Jupiter. Others could be rocky planets similar to Earth. At this very moment, one could be drifting through the darkness between the stars. The universe is full of wonders. But it is also full of dangers beyond imagination. And somewhere in the vast cosmic ocean, a lonely rogue planet continues its endless journey through space.